The sign in here.
The sign? Seals. It says give seals space.
Yeah, they have seal in here. Really?
Yeah. Dig here.
Yeah, move that thing out. Good. Dig it there. Come on, dig it.
So sure there's a monster truck?
I don't know. Maybe. Oh, what's that?
How what? Still dig.
Move it. What is that?
Hey. Oh. What's that?
It's
Megalodon.
Pull it out.
Hey, it's a monster truck! There's monster truck. Let's see who it is. Megalodon!
Megalodon!
Megalodon, look. Here he is.
Show the camera.
Here he is.
To the front.
Oh,
no sand. Don't throw sand.
There, look.
Yeah, look at that. Megalodon phased out.
I feel like something's in here.
What is it?
It's something. Oh, what is it? Oh, what do we found?
What is it?
It's a dirt squad.
Wow.
Dirt squad. It's a dump truck.
Wow, that's cool.
So we have this guy already.
Yeah.
All right, let's look for more monster trucks. I knew the monster trucks were at the beach. Let's go keep digging.
Yeah.
Oh, should we dig over here?
Yeah, what you doing?
Here we go. So when lines are there, so the monster trucks came out. Oh,
Really?
yeah.
Don't get the sand on the road. Oh, I see something.
I see something. Who is it? 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 Fire rescue! It's fire rescue! Let's keep digging. Wait! Oh, there's another spot. Let's take this. I feel something. Monster trucks are our treasure, Daddy. Oh, what's here? What's here? What's this
Careful
way?
with the sand.
Okay.
What's that?
Grave digger!
Grave digger. Cool.
That's what I wanted at the store, but now we found it here.
That's how we get it.
Tommy steals everything.
Yeah.
It's grave digger.
There's another one right here.
Where? Oh, wait. This guy? Oh. Let's dig. Hey. I see something.
What do you see?
It's a monster truck. See it? Whoa! Who's that? Hope. Big Kahuna! It's Big Kahuna!
Good job.
Let's keep digging for yours.
I don't see anymore.
How we get all the monster truck together?
Here, let me help you open them.
Look how grave digger is.
There you go. Look at that. Phased out Megalodon.
I like this grave digger the best.
Here, let me do this one. Look at that. Fire rescue.
Oh, this guy's is already
Everyday heroes.
This is already open, so I
No, that one came.
Ooh, it's Megalodon.
Look at that.
Shall we
Grave digger.
put them in the water because, like, they're all dirty? They're all
Well, they weren't dirty. How did you get this out of
but
here?
now they're all dirty. Look at Megalodon. I got it.
This one is going to take some work.
Stop.
Oh, here we go. Look at this guy.
I think there might be
Dirt
more.
Squad Axel. We got sand on him. Out here, Big Kahuna from Series 20.
Guys, I'm going to make a ramp. Guys, I'm going to
Look at
make a
that.
ramp.
Big Kahuna with a wheelie bar.
Guys, I'm going to make a ramp. I'm going to make a ramp, guys.
Cool.
Yeah, let's make it a lot bigger. I can't make it bigger this much. So we found so much. We found 5 monster trucks. Maybe tomorrow we can look for another one. So we have 2 dirt squads in a row.
Yes.
I'm going to pack it in. Make it bigger.
Bigger? Okay, bigger. It's kind of going sideways.
You can make a finish ramp here, right? Blow up into the sunset. Here, make that ramp. Make it like a ramp, right?
I'm going to make the ramp look like this. Only like this, and then we go in and then try to make a block wall. So this is what the monster trucks have to do. They have to go straight, and the ambulance is going to be here, but we're not doing it now. You see it? Well, here it comes. You have to jump. You have to jump, kids. And then go across that ramp or the bridge, and then hit that block wall, and then cross that highway, and that's the finish line. Let's dump out the avalanche. Here he comes. Dump it. Here we go. And the racetrack. Okay. Okay. Megalodon has a really fast start. Here comes Gravedigger. Gravedigger's in second place. Here they come for the avalanche. Here they come. Avalanche! Fire rescues out of the race, kids. Megalodon and Big Kahuna are battling it out. Here comes Gravedigger. Gravedigger's in first place. Ah! He forces Megalodon off the track. Here they come. Okay, Big Kahuna and Gravedigger are racing. Oh, I think I see something here. It's just a stone. Here they come! For the big ramp! Jump! Gravedigger just is in the lead. Here they come! For the bridge! Alright, they're coming for the bridge! Here they come! Into the black wall. They're into the black wall, but they don't know how to get through. Oh, Big Kahuna crash into the block wall, and Gravedigger gets through. So where's the highway, Daddy? Right there? Okay. All right. Big Kahuna is crashed out. Ty's holding their trucks. All right, they're in the highway. Gravedigger crashes it, and he crosses the finish line. So the winner was my favorite truck. It's Gravedigger. So Gravedigger takes first place, and Big Kahuna takes second place, and Megalodon takes third place, and Fire Rescue takes last place. Set and go! Gravedigger takes the lead. Here comes our shaker. Whoa, he's on the side of the track. Here they come for the big ramp. Here they come for the bridge. And then into the block wall. And they're into the block wall, but they're getting a little bit stuck. Gravedigger gets through with Earthshaker. Whoa, Earthshaker has some sand over him. And now they get crossed by the highway and crosses the finish line. Well, they're still going. Here they come. Who's going to win this race? Race is not done yet. They can't hold on to the brakes. They're headed for the water. Here they come. Oh, Gravedigger almost gets tipped over. Here's Gravedigger. They're heading for the water. Here they come. Trying to keep Gravedigger. Here they go for the water. There. Here's the biggest wave. Oh! They're in the water. The biggest one ever. Here's the biggest one. We're the biggest waves ever. Here he comes. They're making us flow. Earthshaker and Gravedigger. Whoa! Whoa! Earthshaker power out. He's back on track, but he is stuck in the water. I see a seashell. Let's crack it open. Uh-oh. Let's crack it open. Here comes the biggest wave ever. Oh! We're surrounded by water. We're going backwards. Here comes the biggest wave. Whoa! Biggest wave. Whoa, here goes more water! Big one! Big waves! We're floating in the sea! Oh, Dad, you're surfing!
Hey, happy?
Yeah.
How many monster trucks do you have today?
Yeah, fun.
Which one's your favorite?
Oh, this guy.
This guy. Yes, that's
This
cool.
guy's
You want to have the monster truck hunt again?
maybe next time.
Yes.
Or maybe tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Goodbye to your friend.